Whether you're a seasoned artist or dabbling for the first time, creative expression asks us to be vulnerable in a whole new way. This often brings up unique fears and insecurities that can hold us back. Today, we'll tackle those blocks and tap into a bolder, more self-assured creative process. While creative confidence is different, subjective judgment, there's often no clear right or wrong like in other tasks. This ambiguity fuels self-doubt. Your work feels like an extension of yourself. Criticism can feel like a personal attack, making it harder to bounce back. The inner critique's playground. That voice gets loud. This is garbage. Who do you think you are to call yourself an artist? Comparison on steroids. Galleries, social media, it's easy to feel your work will never measure up. Tools for the creative spirit. Diverse process from product. Joy over outcome. Can you enjoy the act of creation even if you hate the final piece? That's powerful. Embrace the ugly drafts. Everything's a work in progress. Perfectionism kills the flow state needed for good work. Redefine success. Growth mentality. Did you try a new technique? Learn something about your process? That's a win. Small victories, finishing anything, submitting your work, connecting with other artists, celebrate it all. Tame the critic, not kill it. Name it to tame it. Giving that voice is a silly name. My inner art's not, makes it less powerful. Externalization. Write down the worst criticism, it splits out. Seeing it in black and white lessens the sting. And yet, challenge the critic. My art is messy and it's also moving to me. Hold space for complexity. Creative community is key. Feedback reframe. Seek input from those who offer it constructively, aiming to help you grow, not tear you down. Collaboration. Create safe spaces to experiment and reminds you it's not just about individual genius. For example, the blocked writer. Instead of spiraling into self-loathing, they set a timer for 30 minutes, write with no self-editing allowed, then reward themselves with a walk, and later they find a few lines that spark something.